Hi guys, this video is about Samba. This is a newly installed system. I gave myself a little present and this machine is now a 4 terabyte machine and we lose 400 megabyte to the system. So yes, it's newly installed, last -F, something to remember. So the birthday is June the 30th of, 6 days ago, right? So Samba is not working. Ha! I thought, why is it not working? Then I remembered I did a new clean install. Samba is basically sharing a folder over your internal network, not the internet, right? Just at home, you have several computers and there's one file or one folder better that you want to share. We've made many videos about sharing, so network is here, and the other one that we need, let's put you over here, is Samba. So network is installing the network discovery, finding out, hey, is there anyone around, basically something like calling out to the stars, is there anybody around, basically. And we have different versions from different people, have different files. This is the NNS switch, right? A very important file. So there is a reference to it, an alias to it, so we can immediately go to it and change it any way we see fit. But we overwrite it with our own ArcoLinux. Well, it's already there, of course, and then there it is, and this is our configuration. And Arch has his own look on its big Linux and EverWest, right? We grab it from the internet, from their GitHubs, and then put it inside this app. So apply selected NS switch, but I would like to have the Samba. So that means that this computer is going to be the Samba server. So we should go there first, because this is a very complex topic. In the sense that, let's go to nothing here. Let's go to YouTube. Well, actually, Samba is going to be in here as well. So Samba is a word to remember. That's sharing stuff over your network, how to install Samba on any ArcoLinux system, how to install, etc, 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 right? And then, of course, YouTube, ArcoLinux, find my face, find a number. So that's a review, that's not ours. So we need something with a number, ArcoLinux 3580. Then we go to the channel itself. Then we stop the start video, and here we type in Samba. And then you find information. This is the playlist. How many videos have I made? 27 videos about Samba. So this is number 28. So the thing is, you have to install Samba. Okay. Apply the easy or the more user shares Windows ArcoLinux. Apply selected Samba. SMB conf for ArcoLinux. Create a password for the current user. I am Eric. My password is this. Voila. And that's it. That's all I want to have. And then we could do all these. Don't use those, right? Right mouse click or something and have something there. What I need to check is the file. Samba. That's the folder. And in the folder is the file. So there are different versions here. There's an example, the original, ArcoLinux one, and smb.conf. So these two guys probably are going to be the same, right? Now I need to go in here anyway. Oops, my mistake. Again, right, remember all the important files often have a alias. So immediately type it in, go for it. So workgroup is good, go down, 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 down. And here it says, change the username, create a shared folder. So you need to create home, Eric shared, like I said, user needs to be changed. Remove, 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 remove. I am Eric, so that's no problem, but you should change it. It's basically the name up here, right? And I need to have a folder called shared. I suppose I have that already. Let's see. I don't, right? Yes, I have. Here it is. So this is shared on the internet. And there's a video that I've made on computer X, and I want to upload it to computer Y, so this one. And it was not shared. So the folder is not there. I can't put it on here. This is old stuff. So that's it. All I need to do is reboot or restart all the services of Samba, which is a drag, so I'll rather reboot. And that's it. For me, later on, Samba will be activated. So sudo system ctl status, ask the status of Samba SMB service, right? Active, failed, I need to reboot. And then you'll see that everything is green, and you'll find the network. These days we used to have a browse network and you could see something, but these days we have to type something like this, SMB, and then 192.116.1.50, right? And that's your IP address, and your IP address can be found on so many levels, so many ways. I think FF is gonna show me something. No, I've removed it from the settings here from fast fetch, but yes, IP config or IF config is certainly gonna show you your number. So that's my official number. On the other computers, I type exactly that in, and I get to my own place, right? I can't do now because I need to reboot. So that's how you set up Samba. I thought a good, well, another video wouldn't hurt. Cheers.